B, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be how to get your first 100 subscribers on your YouTube channel. And before we get into this video, please don't forget to hit a like for me. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a comment down below. Now let's get into this video. So I'm going to tell you guys how to get your first 100 subscribers on YouTube. The first thing you need to do is let all your family and friends know that you're starting a YouTube channel or that you've already started a YouTube channel. Definitely just post on all your social media accounts, whether that's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, any social media platform that you use. I would post my link. I would throw my link everywhere. Like, look, you're going to know that I have a YouTube channel and I would love it if you would subscribe. So that's one way to get your family and friends involved. So not everyone is going to subscribe to your YouTube channel. That's a sad reality. A lot of your friends and family are just not going to support you. And that's okay, because there are a lot of people who do not know you that will support you. So all you need to do is put yourself out there. Just post everywhere and letting people know, hey, I have this video. I'd love for you to check it out. Go on other channels that are similar to yours, and definitely just kind of like, you know, comment back on other channels that are similar to yours. They may actually come onto your channel and watch your videos, especially if the content is similar to yours. They may be interested, because I know I did my haul video, my clothing haul video, and I had a lot of comments from people who actually did haul videos on their channel as well. And that did make me interested on what they're doing on their channel. So I went over and looked at their channel, and they gained a subscriber. I gained a subscriber because they initially subscribed to me. And now we both have support for each other because we enjoy each other's content. So definitely do that. Put yourself out there. Comment on other channels. Don't get too crazy with that. Don't spam a bunch of channels saying, hey, here's my link, subscribe to my channel. Don't do that. But if you watch that person's content and you're genuinely interested in their comment, just leave a comment saying, hey, I love your channel. I post some of the same content on my channel. I'd love it if you look at my channel and tell me what you think. Something like that. That gets you a view. And then if they like what they see, they may actually go ahead and subscribe to you. So that's something I definitely recommend that you do to just gain your first 100 subscribers. Another thing that you could do is Facebook groups. You can definitely go and just search up YouTube support or help with YouTube subscribers, anything like that. You will be able to find Facebook groups that would be very helpful. A lot of them are very supportive. They'll watch your videos and get you views. They'll comment on your channel for you. You'll just have to return that support and like their videos, watch their videos. You both are getting watch time, views, anything like that. But I would not recommend doing sub for sub, because you're going to get a lot of subscribers or a lot of bots on your channel, and they're not going to actually engage in your content. So you're going to have the numbers as far as subscribers, but you won't have the watch time. So I would not recommend that. And then YouTube will also catch on to that, and that's against the terms and conditions. So I definitely would not recommend doing sub for sub. And YouTube will start taking away your subscribers for that. They'll know if it was like a sub for sub type thing, they'll take it away. So I wouldn't even waste my time trying to do sub for sub, because it's not going to work. If you want to just gain subscribers organically, you can do it the ways that I suggested in this video. But those are a couple ways that I use to gain the subscribers that I have now. So that's just a couple tips for you guys. That is going to be the end of this video. Please don't forget to hit a like for me, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.